Nababo ako Balen. Welcome to Whitening Pampanga.
For today's vlog, kayo ba'y naghahanap ng mga bagong experience pagdating sa spa, especially body scrub?
Actually guys, today is our pamper day. Papasok po tayo ngayon sa Milk Spa located dito sa my Koreatown. And guess what? It's going to be an adventure dahil may mga first time po kami gagawin.
Yes, mga bagong experience at the same time, mga treatment na pang-Korean lang. Experience natin ngayon.
There you go guys. So if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Annyeonghaseyo. Okay. So, i-tour mo ako ma'am. Ano ba yung gagawin natin dito?
Dito po lahat ng mga gamit. Usually po ito po yung mga gamit after scrub. Ito po underwear po to. Tapos if you want to brush your teeth. This one po, pag-dry na po after. Apak lang po kayo dito.
Okay. Tapos? Ang galing. Okay, okay.
Easy dry na po.
For hair.
After you mag-take off ng clothes, usually walang massage, tanggal lang po nila. And then underwear, 15 minutes.
15 minutes babad. Okay.
And so, if you want to, sea salt po.
Okay, okay.
Para exfoliation and then para ma-relax po yung muscles and joints natin.
Yes.
Kasi warm water.
Yes, okay.
Bababad po 15 minutes and then alas po na kami. Babalik po kami after 15 minutes and then scrub.
Okay. Galing.
Kami po magpapalinis. Kasi nalagay po kami shampoo and then soap. Literal po.
Literal naman. Alright, thank you. Annyeonghaseyo. 감사합니다. So before the actual milk scrub, meron muna tayong 15 minutes na soak dito sa kanilang bathtub. We have coffee. What the heck? Make it this way.
Okay, so
How does it
dito
feel, bro?
Dito feeling ko ang linis-linis ko. Kasi napakasarap ng scrub nila. At the same time, yung mga products na ginagamit nila dito, napakaganda, napakabango.
Yes.
And talagang feel na feel mo yung luxury
Luxury.
at affordable price.
Alright.
So ngayon, susubukan ko yung kanilang
White tanning.
milk white tan.
Yes, sir. Let's go.
So,
Let's
tara.
lead the way, bro.
Ito siya, collagen ng gamit dito.
Collagen. Anong ginagawa ngayon, bro? What are we doing?
So ngayon, nag-apply tayo ng, ang tawag dito mga collagen lotion for preparation din sa kanilang milk white tanning. I'm excited.
Yeah. See you in 15 minutes, bro. You know. Grabe. So galing na.
Bye guys!
Sure. Bye-bye.
Pero again guys, this is Milk Spa.
Milk Spa.
Located dito po sa may Koreatown, Angeles City. Kung napapansin nyo medyo glowing yung glowing mukha namin. At the same time, medyo parang kailangan namin ng gel. Yan ay dahil meron po tayong session dito. Yun yung body scrub.
Yes,
So
oo.
actually, hindi lang siya body scrub, meron tayong massage, body scrub, yung kanilang seshing, which is yung Korean body scrub,
Korean
and
body
yung kanilang whitening.
Hindi naman natin first time, but we don't do it normally. But you get the hang of it. Parang mag-i-enjoy ka.
Pero ang kagandahan yung feeling na parang nasa luxury spa ka.
Yes.
Pero kanina parang nakita ko is for only 1,700 pesos yung buong service na.
Really?
Oh, buong service na yan, no?
Buong
Wow.
service na, yung
Yes.
massage, yung scrub, and yung whitening.
So I think para sa mga, halimbawa, couple po kayo, and then i-add nyo po sa mga
Date?
parang date nyo, no? So aside from the restaurant or the park, I think,
Bonding time.
yes, I think it's about time na you have a relax naman or me time, pamper time, parang gano'n.
So, dito naman, ang focus nila ay face white.
Face whitening.
Whitening,
Correct.
oo.
Pansin nyo yung mga mukha namin, guys.
Bumata, no?
Oo.
Ito pa yun, no? So, hindi siya masakit sa bulsa. Kasi, yung face whitening, 500 pesos per session.
Yes.
Wow.
And yung full body naman, yung kanilang ginawa ko, 800 pesos per
800
session.
pesos.
Diba?
So, I mean, you can choose from their menu of services, no? Kung gusto nyo yung facial whitening lang, kung gusto nyo yung whole body whitening,
Yes.
or parang ako naman, mami, parang gusto kong i-add sa mga date nights natin yung seshing.
Session.
Oo, no?
Which is yung Korean body scrub.
Okay, so ikot pa tayo, guys. And again, if you want to know more about this, go check out the fan page we're gonna be including in this post.